In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the product SKU in WooCommerce. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to quickly locate or edit the SKU for a product in your WooCommerce store, you've come to the right place. SKUs, or stock keeping units, are incredibly important for managing inventory, keeping track of products, and ensuring a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Whether you're organizing your online store or need to double-check a product detail, understanding how to find and manage SKUs is an essential skill for any WooCommerce store owner. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process, step by step. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your website, and from here you can access all the necessary tools and settings for your WooCommerce store. Once you're in your dashboard, take a look at the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you'll find all your site management options. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on it. Now, under the Products menu, you'll notice a drop-down with several options. From this drop-down, select All Products. This will take you to a page that displays a list of all the products currently in your WooCommerce store. This is where you can search for and manage each individual product. Next, locate the specific product for which you want to find the SKU. You can browse through the list manually or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the product by name. Once you've found the product you're looking for, hover your cursor over its name. You'll notice a few options appear beneath the product name. Among these options, click on Edit. This will open the product's editing page where you can access all the details related to that particular product. Once you're on the product editing page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Product Data. This section is located just beneath the product description area and contains multiple tabs where you can manage the product's details. Within this product data section, look for the tab labeled Inventory. Click on the Inventory tab to open it. Inside the Inventory tab, you'll see a variety of fields related to stock management. Among these fields, you'll find one labeled SKU. This is where the product's SKU is displayed. If the field is currently empty, it means that no SKU has been assigned to this product yet. You can either view the existing SKU here, or, if necessary, make changes to it by simply typing in the field. If you do decide to make changes to the SKU, double-check to ensure that the new SKU is unique to this product. Duplicate SKUs can cause confusion in tracking and managing inventory, so it's always a good idea to assign a distinct identifier for each item in your store. Once you've confirmed that everything looks good, you're ready to save your changes. To save your changes, locate the Update button on the right-hand side of your screen. This button is typically located at the top or near the upper right corner of the page, depending on your screen size. Click Update, and WooCommerce will save the changes you've made to the product, including any updates to the SKU. And that's it! You've successfully located and, if necessary, edited a product's SKU in WooCommerce. This process is quick and straightforward, but it's a critical part of managing your online store. SKUs play a huge role in keeping your inventory organized and ensuring that your store runs smoothly, so it's worth taking the time to get them right. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time.